the fruit of your life and business. Are you imitating good or evil? Have you ever stopped to consider what your actions say about you? Every choice you make, every word you speak, and every habit you build reflects what's truly in your heart. Just like a tree produces fruit based on the seed that was planted, your life and business reveal the values you've rooted yourself in. In 3 John 1:11, NIV, we are given a direct challenge. Dear friend, do not imitate what is evil, but what is good. Anyone who does what is good is from God. Anyone who does what is evil has not seen God. This verse calls us to evaluate ourselves. Are we imitating what is good, or are we compromising by blending in with the world? Let's break this down and apply it to both our personal growth and the way we conduct business. The fruit of your life. What are you producing? It's easy to say we follow God, but our lives tell the real story. If we are walking closely with Him, our actions will naturally reflect His character: kindness, integrity, patience, and righteousness. On the other hand, if our lives are producing bitterness, dishonesty, or selfishness, we must ask ourselves, what seeds have we planted? Take a hard look at your recent decisions. Do they reflect a life that is growing in godliness? Or do they expose areas where you've drifted? The good news is that God doesn't expect perfection, but He does expect progress. The key is consistency, spending time in His presence, allowing His Word to shape your mind, and making small, intentional choices that reflect His goodness daily. Your business and leadership. Integrity over success. In business, it's tempting to take shortcuts. Maybe it's bending the truth in marketing, cutting ethical corners to increase profits, or ignoring red flags in partnerships just to keep things moving. The world might applaud these tactics as smart business, but God calls it what it is: evil. If your business is built on compromise, it won't have a foundation that can withstand trials. The only way to create a truly successful, lasting business is through integrity. When you align your business with God's principles, not only will you experience His favor, but your influence will shine as a light to others. Stop waiting for a breakthrough. Build consistency. Just as an apple tree doesn't bear fruit overnight, neither does spiritual growth or business success. Many people wait for a big moment, a major breakthrough, an instant transformation. But the truth is, growth happens in the small, unseen moments. The way you show up daily in prayer, in your work, and in your relationships will determine your long-term impact. Do you have a regular rhythm of seeking God? Are you applying biblical wisdom to your decisions? If not, don't expect your life to bear fruit overnight. It's time to stop waiting and start planting seeds of consistency. Who are you surrounding yourself with? John's warning in this verse is clear. If we imitate evil, we distance ourselves from truly knowing God. The people we spend time with influence us far more than we realize. If your inner circle is filled with people who compromise, gossip, or prioritize money over morals, it won't be long before you start doing the same. Ask yourself, are the people around me pushing me toward God or pulling me away? Surround yourself with mentors, business partners, and friends who challenge you to live with integrity, faith, and wisdom. Lead with a kingdom mindset. At the end of the day, your goal should not just be success. It should be kingdom impact. A truly successful life and business are measured not by profit or popularity, but by faithfulness. Are you using your business to serve others and glorify God? Are you leading with honesty and generosity, even when it costs you something? Are you producing the kind of fruit that makes others see Christ in you? The challenge today is simple, but bold. Take inventory of your life and business. If there's an area where you've been imitating the world instead of God, it's time to shift. Choose integrity. Choose consistency. Choose to bear good fruit. Your next step. Don't just read this and move on. Take action. Identify one area of your life or business that needs realignment with God's standards. Commit to a daily habit that keeps you connected to Him, whether it's morning prayer, journaling, or studying Scripture. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better, not people who encourage compromise. Your life is producing something. Make sure it's good fruit.